Hello dear Cancer, welcome to my channel and this is your September monthly reading. This is going to be for Sun, Moon, Rising Cancer, so please do check your birth chart. And yes, this reading is going to cover your love, career, all the other general energies, whatever the card are trying to tell us. So let's see what is the general reading for you. In the first half of September, you've got the Seven of Spheres and the One of Suns. Clearly, your focus is on a general basis more on your work than your personal life. I do see success coming your way, abundance coming your way, money, wealth coming your way, whether you have a job, business, or you're preparing for some higher exam, right? I do see that you can also get a little bit of fame where people are talking about you, right? It can be that they're praising you behind your back or your name is being printed somewhere on newspaper, circulated in the website, or you're known in your uh, own locality, or you have your own business, right? Your name is going to be known whether on a small scale or on a large scale. That totally depends on each one of your own birth charts. But I do see that you will start seeing that whatever you were working hard towards is going to show results. September is the time where all your hard work and efforts of the past is going to show you results now. It's like whatever you have sown in the past, the seeds that you have sown in the past are going to give you the rewards. So obviously it looks like you have done your work, you've done your bit, and you will taste success of some sort this month. I also see if you were preparing for some exam, you're going to get selected, you were waiting on some promotion that might happen, some new opportunity, job. It is a card of new beginning. So you're starting something new on some new level. Maybe a new business, maybe a new field, exploring or launching a new product, as simple as that. There is a new energy, a new beginning energy around you. So definitely if you're thinking of starting something new, and you were waiting for a confirmation, this is it. Go ahead. Go ahead because it is going to give you a lot of happiness, stability, and success. So go ahead and do that work that you have been planning or worried about. Positive cards are there. Go ahead from the cards. Let's see what is the second half energy. You've got the Alchemist and the Five of Suns. Partly on love, partly on work, I would say your focus is on. Let's talk about your love life first. A lot of you would want to settle down. Settle down in what way, you might ask? I'm already married. If you're already married, you want to start a family. If you already have a family, some of you will be wanting to stay closer to family or will spend a lot of time with family. A lot of you could be working away from home or have a traveling job. You wouldn't want to settle down in one place now. That means maybe invest in a property somewhere so that you don't have to travel so much, or going back home or bringing your family over, some sort of settling down in life, right? Those who are in a relationship might want to uh, get married now. They might want to now settle down like that. Okay, they might want to talk to their families and make it official. And those who are single might want to start looking for a partner. They might even find a partner. Okay, or at least they are on the verge of finding that partner. At least they're mentally ready, they're financially or spiritually ready to settle down. I also see that maybe you were an adventurous kind of person. You wanted to explore options, right? And not maybe commit. But now something is changing inside you and you also want to go back home to someone, right? So that kind of energies are there. I also see that you will be meeting a lot of competition, right? Competition in love. Let's first talk about that. You might have joined matrimonial apps, dating apps, or the kind of people that you're meeting are also talking to multiple other people. So there is a competition that you will have to deal in your love life. But don't worry. Don't think like, oh my God, this person already has so many options. Okay, why will they choose me? No, because I see you getting successful. I see that person choosing you over others. Yes, there is competition. Yes, there is rivalry, but you are being chosen in some way. The same applies to your career as well. If you think that the product that I'm launching, there are already so many in the market, right? Or this exam is so tough, there's so many applicants, or uh, I don't have to apply to this particular job because there's so many people applying for the same. There is competition, yes, but that doesn't mean that you're going to lose or not get selected. This is a month where you will be successful. You will be chosen in some way, right? But the only caution this card comes with is jealousy. So you are going to get successful, you are going to get that perfect partner, match, get married, get fixated in some way, but there will be rivalry, but there will be jealousy. So please make sure that you're not sharing your plans with anyone, because there are people around you who are very jealous of you. I also see that do not be overconfident. If you are getting that opportunity, if you're being called for that interview, do not reply with overconfidence, right? Because that overconfidence can ruin this opportunity for you, whether in work or in personal life. So please make sure that you're humble, that you're dealing with people and your job and your career, whatever work you do, with humility, not showing off to other people that I'm doing better than you, not rubbing it off in other people's life, right? Just being humble and everything will be smooth. So yes, Cancer, it's an amazing month for you guys. I would like you to claim this beautiful energy. And yes, if you guys like this video or resonated with it, please do hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you would like to book your own personal readings, rituals or counseling sessions, I take that as well. You can check out the description box or my bio. My email ID is askasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly follow and DM me on Instagram, which is the Moksha Tarot. Okay, guys, please follow me on Instagram. You'll also get to know the prices. Prices are very budgeted. Check out for more options. Audio video call options are also available. So yes, have a beautiful month. Take care of yourself, and I'm going to see you soon. Bye bye.